Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have studied about cotton textile, how important cotton textile is in our country, and to how many people it is providing employment. And today we are going to study about jute industry. Before going to study for jute industry, we have to discuss some part of the Indian cotton textile. As you know, our country India produce very good quality of thread, but in our country the thread is not used for weaving, for making cloth. It is sold to foreign country like USA, Russia, Japan. To many country it is sold, and we sold it 85 rupees per kg. And when we make cloth of that thread, the 1 kg of cloth weight is of value 800 rupees, means many times of the 85 rupees. And when we will produce textile cloth by that 85 rupees per kg thread, it will provide employment to our country's people. But unfortunately, in our country, the modern technology, the modern textile industries are not there. That is why we are supplying this thread to foreign country. In our country, those thread are used which are of low quality in handloom or electricity loom. They are used, and the industry of our country, they produce only for fulfill the requirement of our country. They do not export our Indian textile to the foreign country. As our, when we look in history, a very good time was there. Our cotton clothes were sold all over the European country, but in present time the situation is not so good, because there is a very much competition in world market, and due to the latest technology, the other country, they have good technology about the producing the textile. That is why we are not competing with the foreign countries. Now we are going to study about India's jute factory. Before that, we have to see in the map the area which produce cotton textile, the area of cotton textile in West Bengal and in Uttar Pradesh and in Gujarat. These are the areas in which you will see in your book it is given. The black dots are there. Black dots are there given here. Murshidabad, Haraura, Hooghly, and here Muradabad, Agra, Kanpur, here Ujjain, Devas and Indore, and Gujarat, Rajkot, Porbandar, Vadodara, Surat, and in Maharashtra it is Pune, Mumbai, Aurangabad, Surat, Jalgaon, Wardha. These are the, and in Tamil Nadu it is Chennai, and in Karnataka it is Coimbatore, then Madurai. These are the area which are producing cotton textile in our country. Now jute area, the jute producing area in our country, it is located in West Bengal beside the river Hooghly, near the bank river Hooghly, there is a 3 kilometer wide and 98 kilometer long area is there, in which mostly jute is produced. The farmer of that area, they produce the jute because the climatic condition, the availability of water is more there. It requires more water for producing jute fiber. After the crops, when crops ready at that time, it requires more water. It is depend in the water for 5 to 7 days. After that, when its upper part decays, then it is beaten on the water. The decayed parts removed from that stick of jute. Then they take out the fiber of that jute, and that area abundant water is there, and also it receives cheap labor from the West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, from this area, and also the facility of transport is good in that area. That is why in that area jute production is more. There were about 80 jute mill in India in 2010 and 11. When Bangladesh separated from our country, some jute area went into Bangladesh, and the jute factory remained in our country. The problem was there. But now also we are second largest producing of jute in the world after the Bangladesh.